Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to deposit money on Pocket Option with Binance, and to do so it's very easy. We'll just need to have a Binance account with some money in the wallet and a Pocket Option account that is already created. So let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is to visit the Pocket Option website and then go to the top up button in the top. So click on it here and then here choose the payment method. Let's choose here Binance Pay. Okay, and then here click on the amount. So type whatever amount you have. Let's say, for example, okay, let's keep it $100 for this tutorial. And then here, if you have a promo code, you can just enter it and then click on continue and pay $100. So click on it here and then again type the amount and click on continue and pay $100. And then here you can either continue in browser or pay with the QR code with your phone. I'll just continue in browser. Again, click on continue in browser and then here click on the details. Just check the details, deposit, spot account, and then the payment currency, and then click on confirm. And that's it. The money will be added to your Pocket Option wallet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.